There are now thousands of IT solutions and support companies. These are the people who recommend certain hardware and then install and maintain that hardware for you, offering upgrades to replace systems when it becomes necessary. When user problems occur, they are on hand to resolve them. However, it's the business themselves that are left with the responsibility of making these systems fit their individual needs. But information, more specifically information management, is both a business and technology issue. There are very few companies that take an information-centric view. Few companies that look at a business and their information needs in a holistic manner. There is a clearly defined requirement for a company that will work closely with a customer to fully understand their business processes. And once every process and procedure is fully detailed and understood, that same company would build the technology, tools and applications to create the ultimate solution for them. A solution that delivers results immediately and develops alongside the customer long into the future. A solution that makes a genuine difference. Without this kind of company, customers are forced into solutions that work around what NetMonkeys like to call the bucket theory.
When most companies are left unaided to manage information with the tools they have, these tools turn into buckets. Their vital business data is stored in nothing more than unsophisticated electronic buckets. Thousands of emails are left in inboxes as people are storing important documents there and dare not delete them. Then another bucket is used for all data and documents left on individual machines in a user's My Documents folders. These documents cannot be shared between staff, and if they are put on a network drive in order to be shared, that just becomes another bucket. The name of the document then becomes very important, but is more often than not just picked at random and consigned to the bucket forever. There is also data held in databases that only certain staff can use, or spreadsheets that get passed around and copied, effectively making it impossible to keep up to date. Yet, more buckets. Some of these buckets will hold the same information. For example, Sage will contain customer details, as will any sales database or CRM, then any individual contact list in Outlook, and any personal Excel spreadsheets will more than likely have it too. An organisation cannot safely say which bucket has the correct and up-to-date information at any given time. These buckets may help to stop information being lost, but it makes it hard to find, impossible to manage, and does not help drive business processes. In fact, it harms them. And when companies begin to see problems across these systems, they simply buy bigger buckets. So, for companies that are struggling with email servers at full capacity, the easy solution is to buy a bigger server. More space for incorrect and out-of-date information to be stored in, until the bucket overflows again. Or maybe they will choose to buy more buckets. And with multiple applications, it becomes even harder and takes even longer for an employee to get hold of the correct and up-to-date information they need. Buckets are a quick fix to a big problem, and people like quick fixes. But in a complex world, quick fixes rarely work. A complete, holistic view should not be ignored, with a focus on end users and not on buckets.
This presentation has gone into some detail to explain the problem. By now you should be aware of what information management is and are beginning to understand how important it is to address it. So what should you be doing about it? Well, talking to us is a great start. It's important that you know what's out there to help, and that's what we're here for. We cannot stress enough how important it is for business and technology experts to work together on this for you. By understanding the business process you use, we can begin to build that solution alongside you. Together, we can develop a long-term plan that is achieved in small steps. This may involve making the best of the systems that you already have, as well as implementing new platforms and technology where appropriate. So, with that in mind, let's now take a look at what we've already delivered for a collection of our customers, and we can show you how we did it.